Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah and let's learn quick Italian with me. Iniziamo. Let's begin. Look. Look in Italian is guardo. Look at me. Guardami. When I say a word in Italian, please repeat after me. Look at me. Guardami. Look here. Guarda qui. Look here. Guarda qui. Here means qui in Italian. Look there. Look there. Guarda lì. Look up. Guarda su. Look, guarda, up, su. Up in Italian is su. Look down. Guarda giù. Down in Italian is giù. Guarda giù. Right. Right direction in Italian is destra, destra for the feminine one and destro for the masculine one. Left, left in Italian is sinistra, sinistra for the feminine one and sinistro for the masculine one. Destra, sinistra. Please try to remember these phrases today. These are short one and easy one. Next one is look ahead. Look ahead in Italian is guarda avanti. Look ahead. Look, guarda, avanti, ahead. Iscriviti per saperne di più. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching. Ciao presto.